Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yesterday, we have started with economics lesson number 2, that is people as resource. And we have clearly understood in this that how people are considered as a resource. Resource means, what does the word resource means? Anything which can be brought into use. Any useful thing in a lesson means, sorry, in seventh or eighth standard, you might have read about the particular chapter resources.
Yes, ma'am.
So that anything can be used. That is called a resource. Utility, value, anything which is having the value, which is a resource.
Yes, ma'am.
Here in this lesson,
Yes,
we have already in the beginning of the lesson, it is clearly indicated how people are resource, can become a human resource. That is, first we have seen that it is the human resources all together can be divided into two parts, that is asset and liability. We have seen this word asset and liability. Now,
liability.
what is asset and what is liability? Can anybody
Ma'am,
explain?
asset means
means
useful
valuable,
resource,
useful
liability means
and
responsibility.
productivity.
Very good. Very
And
good.
liability is responsibility.
Very good. Very good. So asset means the valuability or the usefulness of the human beings, and liability is the responsibility of the country or on responsibility on some other person. So we have broadly categorized the human resources into two parts, that is asset and liability. Now the asset people, that is the productive population.
Yes,
How-
ma'am.
through the investment on the productive, how this productive population becomes more useful by investing on what?
Ma'am, investing education, training, and
Education,
medical
training,
care.
and medical care.
Yes, by investing on education,
Education.
healthcare, and training. So through the investment on the population, it becomes the human capital. That is, important use can be made of the human beings by investing on them, uh, on education, by giving them proper training, and by providing them proper healthcare facilities.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a second. Okay. Then further we have seen that the people who are considered as liability, they are mostly large. Which type of people which are considered as liability?
From the age between 1 to 14
The
and
age
above
between 1 to
64.
14 and
1
above
to
60.
14.
Huh. And mostly the large uneducated and unhealthy population. Uneducated and unhealthy population mostly falls in the this second category, that is liability. When they are unhealthy, then they will not be able to be helpful in the production of the country, in increase in the gross production. Plus, when they will be uneducated means जब वो education नहीं proper मिलेगी उनको, then might be they will not be so much helpful for the gross national product. Then we have seen about
Okay, ma'am.
now here also we have seen that population from this productive aspect means from this asset aspect, emphasize its ability to contribute to the creation of gross national product. So gross national product is created through these this type of category of population only, which are the asset to the country.
Okay, ma'am.
Then we have already seen that through education, training, and medical care facilities, we can invest on the human beings, and in return we can get more, that is the physical
Physical
capital and all, like this,
capital.
just like physical
Yes,
capital and all.
ma'am.
This, if invested on human beings, training, education, and medical care facilities is provided, then they can also be most fruitful for the country's upbringing. Then we have to start with, we are completed with this paragraph now. We have to start
Yes,
with
ma'am.
page number 17
Yes.
now. Page number 17. Not only do the more educated and the healthier people gain through higher income, society also gains in other indirect ways, because the advantages of more educated or a healthier population spreads to those who who themselves were not directly educated or given health care. That means not only do the more educated and healthier people, the people who are more educated and more healthy people as compared to the unhealthy or uneducated people, they gain through higher incomes. Wo higher incomes, not only they are getting higher incomes for their own family, but they are gaining for the society also. Society also gains in indirect form. They are helpful for the society also, this educated and healthier group. Plus also gains in the other indirect ways, because the advantages of the more educated and healthier population, जो advantages है educated और healthier population की, it spreads to those who themselves were not directly educated. जो directly खुद educated नहीं है लोग, या they are not given proper healthcare facilities, even these educated and healthy people affect these people also. They are helpful for these uneducated and unhealthy people also. So we can say that these asset of the for the country, that is the educated and healthy category of the people, they not only help in the increase of the income for and benefit for the own family life, but for the society also they are helpful, and for the people who are not educated and unhealthy population also, these healthy and educated people are helpful. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Then,
ma'am.
in fact, human capital is in one way superior to other resources like land and physical capital. As in the previous chapter only, we have seen that human capital is the superior to other resources. Why? Why human capital is superior to the other resources? Because it can bring the land and capital to its
Land and labor.
land and labor to its use. That is why. Clear? It can put together land and labor and physical capital to produce something, to produce the output. That is why. Any new student like Gunjal Chaudhary in your class? Gunjal Chaudhary. Okay, because the student is in waiting room with the name Gunjal Chaudhary, but as far as I know, you don't have this student in your class, Gunjal Chaudhary. Okay, fine, whosoever it is. So the in fact human capital is one way is superior to other resources like land and physical capital. Human resource can make use of land and capital. So why human resource is superior to land and other physical capitals? Because it can make use of this physical capital, that land and physical capital. Clear? वो अपने काम में ले सकते हैं, but land and capital cannot become useful on its own. जो land है और जो physical capital है, what is the physical capital involves? Physical capital.
Ma'am, land, labor.
Land, labor.
Land, labor.
Tools and raw
Tools.
materials.
Tools and raw
Oh,
material.
Yes, tools and
Tools
raw
and raw
materials.
materials.
So land, physical capital includes tools and raw materials. They cannot be made become useful on their own, because they can be used by the human beings, the human capital, and then only an output can be brought. The profit can be gained from all these capitals. For many decades. Decades means, again I'm asking, decades means?
A period of 10 years.
Very good. Period of 10 years. So for
Period of
many,
10 years.
so for many decades in India, a large population has been considerably a liability rather than an asset. For many decades, बहुत सालों तक जो large population है इंडिया की, they are just liability. They are just liability means they are just the responsibility.
Responsibility.
Yes, they are.
Responsibility.
Yes, they are just the responsibility rather than the usefulness of useful for the protection for the country. But large population need to be a burden for the economy, and large population is a burden. It is seen as a burden for the economy. It can be turned into productive asset, और उसको turn किया जा सकता है, change किया जा सकता है, means the liability can be changed into an asset. That means the responsibility can be changed into the productive means. So it can be turned into productive asset by investment in the human capital. Now this liability, a large population which can be considered as a liability or responsibility on the country, that can be changed into the productive asset or productive population by spending the resources on education and health for all, even training of industrial and agricultural workers in use of modern technology, use of scientific researches, and so on. So how this liability or responsibility can be changed into productive asset? How liability
Ma'am,
or
please repeat.
how the
By spending
liability,
resources on education and health
very
and
good.
training.
Yes, how the liability, the population which is liability for the country can be changed into the productive population or productive asset. It can be changed by spending the resources on
By
education,
spending
उन पे investment करना,
healthcare,
हाँ,
training,
ट्रेनिंग के लिए spend करना उनके ऊपर,
industrial
उनका health
and
देखना.
agricultural work.
यस, इंडस्ट्रियल और एग्रीकल्चरल वर्कर्स की काम उसमें काम में देना उनको, प्रॉपर ट्रेंड करके. देन इन यूज ऑफ मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी, यूजफुल साइंटिफिक रिसर्चेज एंड सो ऑन. ये सब यूज करके, इन पे पैसा इन्वेस्ट करके, वी कैन चेंज द liability population to the productive population. Clear? The two following cases illustrate how people can try to become more productive resource. Now the cases are there, situation is given in which the following situation shows how we can change our lifestyle, that is how we can become more productive. The story of Sakal. Now this is a story of a boy named Sakal. There were two friends, Vilas and Sakal, living in the same village. So story of two friends is given, that is Vilas and Sakal. Page Parikshit. Okay. Now Vilas and Sakal living in the same village. Both of them are living in the same village. Sakal was 12 years old boy. His mother Sheila looked after domestic chores. His mother Sheila looks after domestic chores. What is domestic chores?
Ma'am, like cow,
Domestic animals like cow, buffalo.
domestic animals, cow, pig, horse.
Overall, if we see the word domestic chores, that means to take care of household work. She looked after the household work, in which all the domestic work includes household work में, चाहे वो taking care of the house है, taking care of the children and in the house है, or taking care of the domestic animals है. So his mother Sheila looked after the domestic chores, that is household work. You can write down household work. His father, whose father we are talking about first story? Whose father?
Sakal.
So this is the condition we are seeing, the condition of the family of Sakal. So Sakal, 12 years old, mother is looking after the household. Father Bhuta Chaudhary worked in an agricultural field. Now Bhuta Chaudhary works in an agricultural field.
Agricultural field.
Sakal helped his mother in domestic chores. Sakal also is helping his mother in household work. He also looked after his younger brother Jitu and sister Situ. So Jitu and Situ both are looked after by Sakal also. Clear?
Sakal.
His uncle Shyam has passed the matriculation examination. His uncle Shyam. Now who is the uncle of Sakal?
Shyam.
Shyam. Shyam has passed the matriculation means matriculation exam. At that time, matriculation 10th board exam was called as matriculation exam. पुराने समय में 10th क्लास को मैट्रिकुलेशन मैट्रिक पास बोलते थे कि कितना पास हो, अगर वो 10th पास कर लेते थे तो भाई मैट्रिक पास है हम लोग. So that is called as matriculation 10th pass. Clear? So his uncle Shyam has passed the matriculation examination but was sitting idle. और उस समय 10th pass बहुत बड़ा standard माना जाता था. Clear? And as he was sitting idle in the house and he had no job. After passing 10th standard also, he was sitting idle with no work. Idle means with no work and with no job. Bhuta and Sheila were eager to teach Sakal. अब बूटा और शीला दोनों क्या करते थे, साकल को पढ़ाते थे. They forced him to join the village school. Bhuta or Sheila both forced Sakal to join the village school. So Sakal joined now village school, which he soon joined. He started studying and completing his secondary examination. Now here higher secondary means after matriculation, that is 10th pass. Higher secondary is little one standard higher, that is 11th class pass. Clear? So Bhuta and Sheila forced Sakal to join the village school. He started studying and completed his which standard? Higher secondary examination. Higher secondary means 11th class. And
11th class.
if we put senior in front of higher secondary, senior high secondary, that means 12th class.
12th class.
Clear? So here matriculation means 10th, higher secondary means 11th. Examination. His father persuaded him to continue his studies. Now his father, Bhuta Chaudhary forced Sakal to continue his studies. Persuade means to force to continue. Clear? Then he raised a loan for Sakal to study a vocational course in computer. Now he also raised a loan for Sakal. एक loan लिया उन्होंने Sakal के लिए for the study of vocational course. Now what is a vocational course? It is a practical skills for specific profession. कोई particular profession के लिए skilled कर देना person, स्किल कर देना पर्सन को. जैसे आईटी इंडस्ट्री में इंजीनियरिंग का पर्टिकुलर इंजीनियरिंग के लिए या भाई आईटीआई करवा देंगे इसको, तो इस टाइप से वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग पर्टिकुलर स्किल में किसी को ट्रेंड कर देना. तो यहाँ पर वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग स्पेसिफिक
प्रोफेशनल कोर्स.
हाँ, प्रोफेशनल कोर्स, प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज देना किसी तरह की. ठीक है ना, प्रोफेशनल कोर्स वी कैन से. सो he raised loans for the Sakal to study the vocational course in computer. Now this vocational course, this professional course was about the computer. Sakal was meritorious. Sakal was meritorious. Meritorious means very intelligent. Meritorious means very intelligent and interested in the studies from the beginning with great vigor. Great vigor means effort. With great effort and enthusiasm. Enthusiasm means interest. With great effort and interest, he completed his course. Which course he completed? Which course Sakal completed? Computer course. After, yes. After some time, he got a job in the private firm. Now, after some time, that means after completing the computer course, he got the job in the private firm. He even designed a new kind of software, as he was very intelligent and very interested boy in the studies and all. So he designed a new kind of software also. This software helped increase the sale of the firm. और इस software से जो company को फायदा होने लगा, and it increased the sale production for the company. His boss acknowledged his services. His boss acknowledged means accepted or recognized. Acknowledge means accepted or recognized his services and rewarded him with the promotion. बॉस ने उसकी कैपेबिलिटी को, एबिलिटी को रिकॉग्नाइज किया और उनको अवार्ड दिया एज अ प्रमोशन. क्लियर? So what was the condition
Yes, ma'am.
earlier? What was the condition earlier in the family of Sakal? And as soon as little bit education was provided, healthcare facilities were taken care, proper training was provided, and that changed the life of the whole family. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is now the story of Vilas. That is the friend of Sakal.
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 सकल के दोस्त की अब कंडीशन देखिए आप. Vilas was an 11-year-old boy. Vilas was 11-year-old boy. His
11-year-old.
his residing in the same village as Sakal. उसी विलेज में रह रहा है जहां पर साकल भी रह रहा है, जहां पर साकल ने इतनी प्रोग्रेस शो करी. Now Vilas father Mahesh was a fisherman. Now Vilas father is who? A fisherman. Name is
Fisherman.
Mahesh. His father passed away when he was only 2 years old. जब 2 साल का ही था विलास, then only he lost his father. His mother Geeta sold fish to earn money to feed the family. Now Geeta was earning his livelihood by selling the fish to feed the family needs. She bought fish from the landowner's pond. एक लैंड था जिसके पॉन्ड में बहुत सारी फिश होती थी, वहां से वो फिश लेकर के और फिर सेल करती थी नियर बाय मंडी में. नियर बाय मंडी मीन्स नियर बाय मार्केट में.
Market.
हाँ, she could earn only ₹150 a day by selling fish. कितना पेमेंट होता था उसको पूरे दिन में?
150.
150 रुपीज ओनली. फिश बेच करके सिर्फ उसको 150 रुपीज मिलते थे. विलास बिकम अ पेशेंट ऑफ अर्थराइटिस. अब विलास किसका पेशेंट बन गया? अर्थराइटिस. व्हाट इज एन अर्थराइटिस? इट इज अ डिजीज ऑफ जॉइंट. जॉइंट की एक डिजीज होती है, स्टिफनेस हो जाती है जॉइंट्स में. वी आर नॉट एबल टू मूव द जॉइंट्स. स्टिफनेस हो जाती है. इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ disease in joint. You can write down. His mother could not afford to take him to the doctor. Now Vilas is suffering from which disease? Arthritis. And his mother could not take him to the doctor because the requirement only she is not able to fulfill. He could not go to the school either. Even Vilas is not able to go to the school. He was not interested in studies. Even he was not, as Sakal was very much interested, but Vilas here was also not interested in the studies. Why he was not interested? Because he was also not healthy person. Healthy होगा तो then only he will be able to think about the other things. जब healthy का उसकी prevail नहीं करेगी कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए, then he will be not definitely he will not take interest in anything. So here the same thing was there with Vilas. Vilas was suffering from arthritis. Mother was not able to take him to the doctor, and Vilas himself was not interested in the studies. He helped his mother in the cooking and also looked after his younger brother and Mohan. As Sakal looked after his younger brother and sister, same way Vilas also looked after his younger brother Mohan. And even do the helping hand, was an helping hand to a mother. After some time his mother fell sick. After some times Vilas' mother also fell sick, and there was no one to look after them. So such a critical stage now was there in Vilas' family, and there was no one in the family to support them. उनको support करने के लिए कोई भी नहीं था, because father की death के बाद mother कमा रही थी, mother के बाद Vilas की health problem थी, that he was not able to earn anything. Vilas too was forced to sell fish in the same village. अब विलास को फोर्स किया गया मीन्स ही वाज फोर्स्ड. अगर वो अपने आप से कोशिश नहीं करेगा बेचने की, देन हु विल हेल्प देम? नोबडी इज देयर टू हेल्प देम. ही हैज टू अर्न हिज लाइवलीहुड and he has to look to his younger brother Mohan also. So this situation forced Vilas to sell fish in the same village. Same village में fish बेचने के लिए force किया गया, the situation forced him, the condition of the family. He liked his mother earned only a meager income. Like his mother, उसकी मम्मी के जैसे ही वो भी बहुत ही less, meager means less या inadequate, less, inadequate, yeah, we can say insufficient, or we can say also scanty. So these are the meanings of meager: scanty, insufficient, inadequate, जो कि फैमिली नीड्स को फुलफिल नहीं कर पा रहे थे. क्लियर? तो कम इनकम मिल रही थी, लेस इनकम. इन शॉर्टेस्ट मीनिंग, द कॉमन मीनिंग, most common meaning is the less income. He, like his mother, earned only the less income. Clear both the stories, both the conditions?
Yes,
of
ma'am.
the friends. One
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
severe condition, other has improved the condition with the education and health facilities and all.
Yes, ma'am.
So now, in the two case studies we saw, Sakal went to school and Vilas did not. Now the same stories are now, conclusion is given here about both the stories that we have seen, that both the stories Sakal went to school but Vilas did not go. The difference is given. Sakal was physically strong and healthy, student, and there was no need for him to visit the doctor frequently. Healthy tha, physically fit tha, and there was no need to visit to a doctor. For Sakal, Vilas was a patient of arthritis. He lacked the means to visit the doctor, and he lacked the means उसको जरूरत थी डॉक्टर के पास जाने की, but he was not able to go to the hospital to the doctor. So these are the differentiation between the two friends. Sakal acquired a degree in computer programming, whereas Sakal found a job in private firm also, while Vilas continued with the same work and he earned a meager income like his mother to support the family. So in this paragraph, what you see? In this paragraph, huh? The difference between the condition of the
condition of
And we last
two friends.
Vilas was too
last
poor
friends.
and improved his
Yes.
condition.
Yes, Sakal, as he was physically strong and healthy, and due to his more education, interest shown, he has improved the condition. But Vilas had continued with the same condition and with the same occupation which his father was doing. Afterwards, then mother, and then after mother. Yes.
Last was a liability.
Huh. Vilas was an means liability only in one case, one sense we can say. In the case of Sakal, several years now here Sakal has improved the and he was a helpful. किसी भी तरह वो कंपनी में काम कर रहा है तो एक तरीके से वो क्या कर रहा है, इकोनॉमी को एनहेंस कर रहा है. कंपनी की ग्रोथ हो रही है, प्रॉफिट हो रही है, तो वो एनहेंस कर रहा है इकोनॉमी में. Whereas here he is not able to earn so much income to even satisfy his family needs. So in the case of Sakal, several years of education added to the quality of labor. Several education में years लगे, but it added in the quality of labor. This enhanced his total productivity. Total productivity also increased. In Sakal case, total productivity adds to the growth of the economy, or total productivity increase हुई तो economy भी definitely will be increased. This in turn pays an individual through salary or in the some other form of his choice. So ये एक तरीके से economy increase हुई, तो ये कैसे फायदा हुआ साकल को? In the form of salary through the payment. Clear? And in case of Vilas, there could not be any education nor healthcare facility was there in early part of his life. He spent his life selling fish like his mother. Henceforth, he draws some salary of unskilled labor as his mother. अब ये क्या थे? Unskilled. Unskilled labor means no skilled proper professional training was given. ओनली उसके फादर जो करते थे काम, उसकी मदर ने किया. मदर वॉज work was carried on by Vilas also. No skilled labor was needed for that, so it was unskilled labor. Investment in human resources via education and medical care can give high rates of return in future. अब इन्वेस्टमेंट इन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, यहाँ पर ह्यूमन साइकिल के केस में इन्वेस्टमेंट किया उसके पेरेंट्स ने. कहाँ पर इन्वेस्टमेंट किया उसके पेरेंट्स ने? एजुकेशन पर.
Education and medical care.
उसकी प्रॉपर फिजिकल हेल्थ भी ध्यान में रखी. एंड दैट हैड गिवन हिम हाई रेट्स ऑफ रिटर्न इन फ्यूचर. फ्यूचर में क्या हुआ? उसको हाई रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट मिला, उसका प्रॉफिट मिला उसको. देन दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन पीपल इज द सेम एज इन्वेस्टमेंट इन लैंड एंड कैपिटल. और ऐसे ही अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट जैसे लैंड और कैपिटल पे, लैंड पर अगर खर्चा किया जाए, वहां पर मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजीज यूज किया जाए फॉर कल्टीवेशन पर्पस, देन डेफिनेटली द यील्ड, द प्रोडक्शन विल बी मोर. द सेम वे इफ
Yes, ma'am.
capital means the physical capital, the working population, or we can say tools and raw material, the investment, the money can be invested on raw materials and tools and technologies, then definitely in coming future वो जो tools खरीदे थे आपने और जो टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करी, रॉ मटेरियल्स खरीदे आपने प्रोडक्शन वर्क के लिए, वो आपको फ्यूचर में क्या मिलेगा? उससे प्रॉफिट मिलेगा. द सेम वे ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज ऑल्सो, व्हेन education is imparted to them, proper medical care facilities are imparted to them, जब उनको मिलती है, then they can be very fruitful for the future development. I hope
Okay,
that
ma'am.
is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just now I stop here only. One more period is there. After 10 minutes, we will meet again with the same meeting ID and passcode in the same class of SST with economics lesson number 2. And we will continue the lesson from this paragraph, a child 2. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Same to you.
Have a nice day.
We'll meet again after 10 minutes. Okay. I hope you will join again.